Good morning, children. Have a wonderful day. Now let's start second part of singular and plural form of today. It's given on page number is 11. Page number is 11. And right now, its bottom is a fifth one. The plural of nouns ending in y after a consonant are formed by tracing the y and adding ies in its place. In its place. Yes, almost I told you why after a consonant are formed by traveling the y and adding ies. It's right now it's a place. Okay. Now you want to be change a plural form of baby. Okay. What will become to plural? Yes, baby is a babies. So mostly we use the end of the words. It's like to yes. It's like to yes. And lady, ladies. Lady, ladies. And please everyone turn your pages 12. Now see the next one. The plural of nouns ending in y after a vowel are formed by only adding s in its place. How will we change the plural form? It's like to key or donkey. And nouns ending in y after a vowel are formed by only adding s. Yes, mostly we use the words of yes. And vowel sounds அதாவது vowel soundsக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம y ஆட் பண்ணுறோம் இல்லையா ஸோ எத்தனை vowels லெட்டர்ஸ் இருக்குது alphabetic லெட்டர்ஸில் 5 letters. Okay, they are 5. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and singular key. E is the vowel sounds and after that we are used the Y. It will be keys. It will be keys. Key, keys. Donkey, donkeys. And see the next one. When some nouns are changed to plural form, the spelling changes. Their spelling changes. Women, women. Foot, feet. Like some nouns are changed to plural form, the spelling changes only. Okay. Now students, I told you there are some naming words which when we turn into plural naming word, we turn into plural naming words. So these are those singular naming words when we change to the plural noun. When we change to the plural nouns, it will be women and women. So the spelling changes only. Okay, there will be spelling changes. And see the next one. Some nouns do not follow the regular rules. Some nouns do not follow the regular rules. Look at the following examples carefully. Yes, look at the following examples carefully. And first one is dear. Dear. Yes. What is the words of pronunciation as dear? The plural form of dear is also dear. Is also dear. In rare, non-standard concepts, the plural form can also deeds. So that's why do not follow the regular rules when it's like to somewhere. Okay, and another one. And next one is sheep. So the plural form of the word sheep is sheep only. It comes under the few exceptions of the English language which do not change the from when change the to plural from singular to plural from the singular. So its right words is shibus, sheep, ship. Sorry, and another one is photo, photos, piano, pianos, piano, pianos. So like that, mostly we used the words so yes. Okay, that's why here is adding the yes. Okay, it will be o is the vowel sounds, you know. Yes, so piano is will be changed, the plural is pianos. And see the another one example is dynamo, dynamos, dynamo, dynamos. What does mean by dynamos? Hmm? Anyone guess the answer? Like, okay, dynamo is your like Aka Minpuri. Okay, its right meaning is Aka Minpuri. So dynamo, it will be changed, the plural as dynamos. And roop, roop, roops, roops, which means roop is your like its height. Okay, and the made kure. Okay, roop means is made kure. And draft, 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 draft is the drafts of droves, droves. What does mean by droves? Hmm? Droves is your குள்ளர்கள், அந்த சித்தர் குள்ளர்கள் சொல்லுவோம்ல, குள்ளர்கள். Okay, and குள்ளர்கள், droves, it will be changed to the droves or droves. And another one, hoof, hoof, hoofs or hoofs, it will be changed to the hoofs or hoofs. What's mean by hoof? It's like to uh, hearts of leg. Okay, it's like the hearts of leg. ஸோ இந்த குதிரைகளுடைய கால்கள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த குள்ளம்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் கூஃப். Now students, I told you again there are some naming words which when we turn into plural naming word. So these are those singular naming. These are okay. These are those singular meaning and naming words when we change to the plural noun. Okay, do you understand? Yes, I hope you all are understand the singular and plural nouns, because my students all are very brilliant and very smart. Yes. Okay. Yes. And see the another one. Yes. See the next one. It will be exercise. It's time to be exercise. Complete the following with the singular or plural forms. Complete the following with the singular or plural forms. Okay, so ma'am ஒரு few wordsக்கு மட்டும் and singular or plural form ma'am change பண்ணுறேன். Okay, answer சொல்கிறேன். and remaining உள்ளதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த டேஷஸில் நீங்கள் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, எஸ். ஃப்ளார், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் ஃப்ளார். It should be changed to the plural form as flowers. And another one, yes, here is your flan dash only. So we are write the singular words. It will be given to the choice. It's a plural form. Okay, so it will be given to the plural. We are changed to the singular. Okay, singular form. And the words when we changed to the plural or noun, it's a toy. Okay, toy is your singular form. Toy is your singular form. And third one is car. Car, car is a singular form. So it will be what will become to plural form? What will become to plural form? Its car will be changed to the plural as cars. S. So we are adding to the S only. Yes. Okay. And fourth one, watch. Watches. They are given to the watches. It's a plural form. So we are only write the change to the singular form only. So watch is, it will be changed to the watches. Watch. So here is, please students write the dash as your watch. Okay. And here is also given to the watches. Fifth one, dress. Dress. So what will become to plural form? Okay, so you are only the write the dashes. Okay students, and see you the next class. Bye. Thank you.